Just let me work, just let me work. I'm out here grinding.
What's going on, students? Mr. Carl and I here today to go over the Sidekick with you, okay? Foot form, how to establish power, and to work on this technique and perfect it at home, right? So you're gonna step back, front stance. Okay, now when doing a Sidekick, especially a turning Sidekick, you need to pivot all the way around. You're gonna chamber the knee up, okay? And it's gonna be nice and tight. Pulling the foot in tight to where you're gonna lead with the heel. Then as you extend the foot straight out, this foot has to pivot all the way around. Go ahead, sir, hold. Okay, so you're gonna lead with the heel, this foot turns out, then when you pull it back in, you're gonna rechamber it to that position, turn this foot back in, and then set it down. Okay, all right, so then again, the knee comes up, chamber it all the way to the side, snap it out, chamber it back, and then set it down. Okay, with the Sidekick, hold on one second, sir. Let's see. Okay, all right, ready? So go ahead, throw the Sidekick. Okay, right here, you're gonna lead with the heel or the knife edge. Okay, so when you're throwing the Sidekick, you want to have a tilt to your foot. Hop this way. I think we're falling out of the camera here. Okay, tilt to your foot like that, where you're gonna strike with this part and lead with the heel. Okay, all right, and then down. All right, so let's take a look at it on Bob. So you're gonna come up, chamber, turn the base leg, extend, and then strike right to the solar plex, okay, and then come back down. Now, what we do, a lot of us tend to do is throw actually a roundhouse kick instead of the Sidekick, okay? So what that would look like, you would bring your knee up, and then you're actually gonna come around the side of the body, and then strike the target, okay? Instead of bringing it in and then coming straight forward with it, okay? And then down. All right, so again, Sidekick is straight in, and then, go ahead, Sidekick. Cool. Straight at the target, and then round kick comes around, okay? And just because your foot is pulled in, if you're throwing that round, that doesn't make it a Sidekick, okay? So you need to make sure that you're bringing up, chambering that leg, turning the base foot, snapping it, okay, that's where a lot of that power comes from, and then returning it back in. All right, and then once again, that is turning Sidekick. Mr. Carl, go ahead. Kima Jose. You can do step in Sidekick with the front leg. Good, and then down. You can do fade in Sidekick, where, there you go. Good, it's kind of the same thing. Pick up your front leg, and then hop in and kick. Fade in, boom, okay. You can do jump Sidekick, slide back, all right. So you jump straight up and then kick. Good. Let's see here, what else we got? I think that works, man. So those several Sidekicks. So you got fade in, step behind, jump Sidekick, turning Sidekick, and yeah, that's all I got for right now. And a good drill to practice this at home is you can use the wall, okay? All right, yeah, go ahead and face me. Get on the wall like this, chamber it here, and then slowly pivot that foot out as you learn to lead with your knife edge of your foot and chamber it, bring it back in. Slowly out, and then back in. Okay, and then lining your heel with your hip. Okay, and then back. All right, then if you got a partner at home, you can always grab onto here, side by side, bring up your leg, turn and kick, touch, and then bring it back in. Tight, in, touch, bring it back in. And then the other person. Okay? So those are a couple of drills you can work on pivoting the foot, leading with the knife edge of your Sidekick. Let me get back into the shot. Okay, so practice that at home. Guys, thank you, Mr. Carl. Thank you guys for training hard. We'll see you in class. Continue to practice because it leads to what, sir?
Mastery.
All right, we'll see you in class. Tung Siu.
Tung Siu.